Hey, today we're going to make healthy orange chicken meal prep bowls. We're going to start with 2 pounds of chicken breasts that are boneless and skinless, and I'm going to cut them into 1-inch cubes. Do it as well as you can. It doesn't need to be perfect, not at all. We're going to take out our frying pan and heat it up. Then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil into it and cook the chicken. So yeah, we're putting the chicken in and we're going to cook it until it's brown. It will take around 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure you flip it around, have fun with it. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to actually make our sauce. I'm going to get my glass bowl and add in 1 cup of orange juice, be it freshly squeezed or from a carton. Then we're going to use 1/4 of a cup of chicken broth. I'm going to add in 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. Use low sodium, it's a bit healthier, or you can use coconut aminos as well. We then add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and we're going to grate some ginger. So we're using about 1 tablespoon of ginger in total after grating it. I'm then going to grate in around 1/2 tablespoon of orange zest. Yes, we love orange zest. It adds a little bit of more taste to the chicken. And then we end up with 3 tablespoons of honey and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. We mix all of these ingredients together and here we go. We have our sauce. So we're just going to put it aside. Now, once the chicken is cooked, we're going to remove it from our frying pan and we want to add in our sauce into the empty frying pan. Yes, just bear with me. We're going to cook the sauce until it thickens. So you want to make sure it's about medium-high heat. We're going to stir it throughout. Be patient with it. It will probably take around 10 minutes for the sauce to thicken up. Now, once the sauce is thick, we're going to add in cooked chicken back into the frying pan and stir it with all the ingredients together to make sure that they coat the chicken. And yes, once we're done, you'll see it will have nice consistency. Then we're going to chop some onions and sprinkle them all over the chicken and add in sesame seeds, around 2 tablespoons in total. Now the next thing is broccoli and rice. We either prepare it while we're preparing chicken or after. So we want to fill a pot with water and bring it to boil and add a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to wash my broccoli, cut away the stems from the crown and slice my florets into pieces. And then we're going to add the florets into the boiling water and cook for around 3-4 minutes until they're tender, because then they're nicer to eat. Then make sure to just remove your broccoli once they're cooked and we're done with broccoli. Now we want to make sure we prepare our rice. Just fluff it. Use your instructions on the packet to boil it up. I use some cardamom to add some taste. Now we're ready to divide our food into meal prep containers, 4 of them. I'm going to start with rice, then add in our boiled broccoli, and we're going to top up with our chicken. And here we go. We have lovely healthy orange chicken meal prep bowls. You can refrigerate them for up to 4 days. Just heat them up and enjoy your food, or eat it cold. It tastes great either way. Enjoy.